Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable Conversation View in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to change your Gmail settings and organize your emails into threaded conversations. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and accessing the Gmail website. Step 2. Look for the settings icon located at the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the email threading section. Step 4. Within the email threading section, locate the Enable Conversation View option. Check the box next to it to enable the Conversation View feature. By following these quick steps, you can easily enable Conversation View in Gmail on your PC, allowing you to group and organize related emails into threaded conversations for a more streamlined inbox experience. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Enjoy organizing your emails in Gmail.